Hi everyone, my name is Christine Davis, and today I'm going to be telling my own cryptocurrency story, right? So we all have a cryptocurrency story, and one of my friends and business associate has asked me to do like a semi-interview, which I am glad I am doing today. So I hope that you learn from my lessons, okay? From my story, you learn some very good lessons on what being involved in the cryptocurrency space entails. So the first question is, how did I get to know about cryptocurrency? Well, I got to know about cryptocurrency because I'm a very curious person, okay? When it has to do with money, I like to explore. I like to, find out what's the latest thing happening. How are people getting money now? Because, I believe that when you have the needed funds, there is no limit to what you can do. So I got to know about cryptocurrency from a colleague in my office. I mean, he was always talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and coins and coins. So I was like, okay, so how does this thing work? And he began to teach me little by little, how it works. I mean, you could actually get money and convert it from naira or fiat from your bank account into the cryptocurrency space and put it in your wallet in the form of coins, which you would save. Now, you're not just only saving it, they have an ability to, improve and increase their earning capacity, which in the cryptocurrency space we call it halving. Okay, there's a halving and then there's a dip. A dip is when the coin falls in value. A halving is when it increases in value. Okay, so that was how I got to know about cryptocurrency. My friend in the office showed me some ropes, and then I personally began to read about it. I went to my browser and I typed cryptocurrency, what is cryptocurrency, and I read about it, and I read about the different kinds of coins and everything that they were about. So that was how I got to know about cryptocurrency and how I got involved in the cryptocurrency space. Now, the next question is, what were the struggles at the beginning? Well, I didn't know how to create my own wallet. I didn't know how to buy these coins. I had to go to YouTube, watch tutorials on how to buy coins. What were the best coins to even buy that had the potential of increasing in value and not making me lose money? So those were some of my struggles. And then the cryptocurrency space is a very, very fragile space. So if you're not careful, you end up losing a lot of money or making very bad investments on coins that don't have potential to make you wealthy. Okay, so those were some of my personal struggles. And then she asks what benefits I've had. Well, I've had a lot of benefits in cryptocurrency. I mean, I've had my coins, those that I was holding, grow from a particular value that I bought them in and improve so much more that I made a profit. And for coins that I was actively trading with certain companies, I have gotten up to 400% of my investment. So those are like very good profits for me that I can say that, I advise anybody who has money that he wants to keep for a long term, pick a coin, a very good coin with a very good potential, and invest in it. It's always worthwhile when you are patient enough. Okay, so another thing she said, which I'm to answer, what did I wish I knew earlier? Okay, one of the things I wish I knew earlier was the level of how conscious I needed to be with the cryptocurrency space. I lost a total of $126 because I was careless with my PIN, with my wallet PIN, and someone went into my wallet and took out that amount of money which I had kept there. That's like personal loss. It wasn't funny on me, but it made me learn how to be more secured with my wallet, how not to give out information that would make someone enter into my wallet and steal my money. Okay, so these are some of the things that I've learned being in the cryptocurrency space. Now, she said the struggles of accepting cryptocurrency or Bitcoin in the world. Now, there are lots of struggles because the policies surrounding cryptocurrencies always change. They're always changing. And people like stability, okay? People find it difficult to adapt to change. So, these are one of the things that is making cryptocurrency to not be fully acceptable in the world, okay? And then some people call it free money. It's really not free money. There's nothing like free money. You spot a good coin, you invest in it, and you get the benefits later. It's the same thing as buying a piece of land. Okay, if you get a piece of land in a very good location and you buy it early on, okay, when you buy it early on, the next 5-10 years, the profit or the value of that land has increased in maybe 100% or 200 or 300%, and you sell it. It's the same thing with cryptocurrency, okay? It's just that these are digital assets that you buy and hold them. So the way you are holding your land, waiting for it to appreciate so that you can sell it at a profit, is exactly what happens. So people don't really know about that, and then sometimes you might see that this is a good project, it's a good coin, but then it doesn't turn out to be that way. So you might end up investing so much more and maybe going at a loss. One thing I can tell you is that if you are patient enough, give it 5-10 years, you will always make a profit in cryptocurrency. There's no doubt about it. Most of the reasons why people don't accept cryptocurrency is because it takes a longer time to wait, okay? And then you have to be careful with picking the right coins to even invest in. Another thing that is making cryptocurrency not to be acceptable in the world is the volatility of it, okay? The ups and downs of it. People like stable investments. I don't want to, because in cryptocurrency you might buy a coin today and tomorrow you are at a very serious loss. So you have to wait for it till it even gets to your cost price, and then wait for it till it appreciates so that you can sell it at a profit. People don't like that. So some of these things are making cryptocurrency to be, find it difficult to be accepted world over. Lastly, I would say one of the reasons why people do not like cryptocurrency and not accepting it is because they don't like to read. They don't like to embrace new ways of making money, okay? They don't like to embrace new ways of knowing how to make money in the 21st century. So if you are not open to the blockchain technology, which is one of the best technologies that have ever happened to mankind, it will weigh you down. You'll be like, oh, all of these things are scam, all of them are not possible. I just want to be seeing my money. But the world is moving. So if you come across this video, I would like to tell you to please, do more research on cryptocurrency, do more research on coins, and I bet you it's a very good investment for anybody to partake in. All right, I'll see you next time.